Good morning, Port Shop Yard. And you know what today is? Maintenance day on Frankie and on Blue. Gonna be changing out the fuel filters on both of them today. I've already done the air filters. So today, I've already bought the fuel filters. So when either the FedEx man or UPS man arrives with my new fuel disconnect tools, I'll be changing the fuel filter in Frankie and in Blue. So there's the fuel filter on Frankie, and as we crawl up under Blue, and there's the fuel filter on Blue. So both trucks take the same filter, same fuel filter, same air filter. So I got new fuel filters for both. I'll be changing them out today, like I say. Like I've said 1,000 times, you want to keep your fuel filter and the air filter in your vehicle clean. You want to keep them changed every 50,000 miles. Your fuel filter especially, so your fuel injectors don't get clogged up. You have to spend hundreds of dollars replacing your fuel injectors. So keep your fuel filter changed every 50,000 miles. Keep your air filter changed every 50,000 miles. So your motor can breathe. You'll get the best gas mileage. And your vehicle will last longer. It's not rocket science. People today are so damn lazy they don't want to do anything. Put gas in it, drive. They don't even want to change the oil in their own vehicles. And then when their vehicles wear out and start burning oil, leaking oil, what's wrong with my car? You didn't maintain it, you dummy. That's what happened. And it just makes me sick to know that people do not maintain their vehicles the way they're supposed to. Because they're too damn lazy. They don't want to spend the money to keep the cars on the road, keep them running right. Just irritates me. But me, I'm probably one of a handful of people that actually maintains and takes care of their vehicles to make them last forever. Blue here is fixing to roll over to 350,000 miles in about 80 miles. So I'm gonna get the fuel filter changed on him today, and by Saturday he'll be hitting 350,000 miles. So Frankie is running better and better and better. Like I said, I'm changing the fuel filter in him today. Still need the spark plugs, get it tuned up, spark plugs, ignition coils, and 4 new oxygen sensors. Get that brake caliper fixed, and replace that door latch switch, and he'll be 100% running like a top, and we're good to go. As you can see, I'm having to keep my door closed the redneck way with a ratchet strap going from that door back behind both seats to this door over here until I can get the latch replaced. But hey, if it works, it works. No big deal. Also got to replace the cup holder. And believe it or not, I am going to upgrade the tail lights. I'm not touching the headlights. I'm going to upgrade the tail lights to a set of black ones. And I think it'll look really good. I've never actually put any aftermarket parts on Frankie, but that's going to change.